Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Honda Odyssey maintenance light reset. Now we have two type of reset. For those of you that has the option of the GPS system, which is this one, you're gonna be resetting over here by go to setting, go to vehicle, and go down to maintenance info. Oil life 10%, press oil and filter, and just hit reset. Okay, now I'm not gonna hit reset because I have to show the people who don't have the GPS system and have to reset over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel over here, and you're gonna still press home to reset on this side. Now for those of you that's reset over here on this side, we're going to be using these buttons over here, the up, down, left, right, and middle for enter, and go ahead and press turn on your car without starting, and you can go ahead and press enter, okay, until you find home. Then you can scroll down to maintenance, enter on it, go down to oil life, enter on that, and now you can press enter and hold for approximately a few seconds, or maybe more than a few seconds. Okay, now let go down to all due item, enter on it, and there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.